some companies are introducing new functions, and they're called, there's something around innovation, clinical ops support, things like that, where they're getting involved initially with the study team to assess or screen a potential synopsis for potential decentralized opportunities for the patient. There was one company that completely flipped the script where their default is 100% DCT. That's not the spirit of DCT either. It's supposed to be flexibility for the patient. So it's not all or none, but that's where they started. So it's like organ donation, right? So it's like everything's DCT, and you had to make a case on why it couldn't be. And, obviously from a process perspective, a resounding point was involve the patient. I mean, have the patient involved at some point, and companies are increasingly doing that. And it's not, lip service. They're genuinely incorporating some type of patient feedback in protocol design and review. From a data and technology standpoint, I mean, really to get teams to adopt, my recommendation is to jump in and get started now, because this isn't going away. So the sooner you get on board with this, and it's not just the data, the technology, it's more around the processes, the skills that are required to manage these, the better off you'll be. So you have to be part of this movement to learn from it. And, one last thing I'll comment on, and this was a message, this was probably one of the key messages that folks took from the DTRA conference, was sharing of failures. So this is all new. I mean, you're not going to get it right the first time. Well, it's not all new. E-consent, e-pro, e-coas, obviously that's not new, but a lot of these, like, siteless trials, this is new stuff. So it would be great to have some type of forum where, I mean, however therapeutic it could be, is just to have some forum to share failures. And I could actually see a series of Halloran town halls that could all be about, failures. I hope I'm not in every one. I feel plenty, but I think it's a great idea, and it was met with a lot of enthusiasm. And it's all about learning. So, not to sound corny, we're all in this together, but I mean, it's the truth.